Happy Jamaican Diaspora Day. I'd like to acknowledge that Alberta is on Treaty 6, 7, and 8 territory, and that this land also holds very deep importance for the Métis people of Alberta. Today, Jamaican communities in Alberta join the global Jamaican community in celebrating their rich and vibrant culture. For all Albertans, this is a chance to celebrate the contributions of the people of Jamaican heritage in our province. Festivals such as Carrie West and Reggae Fest have become beloved summer traditions in Edmonton and in Calgary. Albertans can enjoy delicious food such as my husband's favorite, jerk chicken, patties, and fried plantain at Jamaican-owned restaurants right across the province. Albertans of Jamaican descent are accomplished artists, athletes, school principals, social workers, business workers, and academics. The national motto of Jamaica is, "Out of many, one people." This expression perfectly captures the spirit of coming together in diversity to find strength. This is an important lesson for all of us as we celebrate the beautiful Jamaican culture and Alberta's multiculturalism. Thank you so much.